Okay, good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. To those of you, my subscriber that have not subscribed, make sure you please click on the subscribe button, like and share. So let's take a look at what GBPJPY will be giving us this week. So if you actually like this comment, you actually find this video helpful, right? And you would need more exclusive, content from me. I want you to actually check the link that I'll be pasting in my comment section below. All what I intend to do is actually to give out, high probability trade that I believe you have 70 to 90% chance of winning those trade. And if in case you are not interested, you can actually support this channel. With $5, you can actually support this my channel to actually make it grow. And if you would want to get more updates from me, special updates from me, then with $20, you can actually do so. So let's take a look at this GBP You can see that there was a massive drop, right? On this GBP, this last week that just finished, right? Last week we had a drop. No doubt about that. One of the reasons is that there was an increase in interest rates. So basically, everybody was actually speculating a bullish move, right? No doubt about that. I'm sure you too must have be expecting like a bullish move on GBP. But that price actually dropped. Do you know the reason why it's dropped? To actually take out a lot of traders, right? That manipulation movement. We had similar movements with S&P 500. We have similar movements with Nasdaq 100. So basically, when this GBP is supposed to push up due to increase in interest rates, it's actually dropped to take out a lot of traders. So a lot of traders actually lost. Now let's go back to this movement. What we'll be expecting this week on GBPJPY is another drop. Then once this price can drop, then maybe then in 2 weeks' time, we can now expect a bullish move. But first, GBPJPY, the drop for GBPJPY is definitely not over. I'm going to explain it, right? So you actually understand. First, we can see that this is a drop, right? No doubt about that. We can get a lower loss and a lower, we are getting lower loss and a lower highs, right? So price is at this level where price is rejecting from. We can see a rejection from this same level. You can see candlestick wick sticking at the bottom. We can also see a rejection at this same level. Now price actually came to this same level, rejected, then price went up. So definitely price is actually dropping. So we expect price to drop, reject from this level again and go bullish. So that is why I said this week we would expect a drop, then maybe after that drop has been made, then a bullish move down to the daily time frame. So basically, this is a drop that has been made here. So what we are having here is a pullback. Once this pullback is over, we would have maybe the final drop again that will take out this lows. This level of 156. Currently, we're actually at 158. We would not expect a drop to a level of 156 before we can start watching out for a bullish move on GBP JPY. Now take a look at this JPY index. Now we can see that this JPY index is actually literally dropping, right? So I'm seeing this as a drop, a pullback, right? So I will expect more drop again. So if this more drop will be playing out, that means GBP to JPY you actually continue to go bullish. Reason is that once there's a drop on JPY, then another pace will be trading to JPY should give us a bullish move. So this is what we'll be expecting on JPY, right? So this JPY is dropping now down to the 4-hour time frame. We can see that this is a drop, right? So we would expect a pullback. This pullback means JPY will go bullish. So we would expect similar pullback on the 4-hour time frame on GBP. So we would expect, like a drop, because if this JPY goes bullish, then we expect a drop on, GBP to JPY. So once that drop has been made, because we can see that this is a pullback, right? Once this drop has been made, like I said, I'm expecting a drop, this final drop. So once this drop has been made, we can see that this JPY will actually give us a pullback. Then after that, JPY should drop. When that JPY is now dropping, then we can now start expecting a bullish move on GBP to JPY. So that is why I said this is a drop, this is a pullback. So expect the final drop to be made. Once it gets to around that 155, 156, then expect a bullish move. So if in case you're interested in any of my exclusive analysis or content, check check in the comment section below. I'll be pasting a link so you can actually go there and become one of my Patreon subscribers.